Hi, I'm Alex Aitke. I'm the chef patron for the Jetty Restaurant and the Upper Deck here in Christchurch Harbour Hotel in Mudeford. Tonight we're having our opening off our new terrace with lovely furnishings and a new menu. Exciting stuff on the menu. The Tuscan soup with tomato and brown bread will give you a taste of Italy on the south coast. Lots of other specialities, going into Spain with the paella, which will be amazing, and of course, you can't have a celebration on the south coast without south coast oysters. These are from Poole and they are going to be delicious, served natural, a little bit of shallot vinegar or Tabasco.